Welcome. This is the live screen monitoring feature of EmpMonitor. From your admin dashboard, select Live Monitoring. Here, you'll see real-time previews of all your employees' screens. Let's take a closer look at what this employee is currently doing. We can see they are viewing a video on YouTube. Now let's scroll down and select another employee to see their live activity. Here's a real-time view of what this employee is working on. It appears they are engaged in coding activities. And here's a live look at a third employee's screen. Here you can observe their current activity and, if needed, take appropriate action based on your company's policies and work guidelines. As we scroll through the previews, you'll notice that each employee's status is clearly shown, whether they're online or offline. Finally, let's zoom in on this screen. Multiple browser tabs suggest multitasking or research activity. And that concludes our look at EmpMonitor's live monitoring feature, your window into real-time productivity. Start using EmpMonitor today.